Guys, uguan kanang. Hi guys, it's 203 stopover here in Pampanga. Ala, di ba dilita ato nagkaon nilang may? Pampanga, look at that, it's Ate Mel. Hello. Where are you?
Guys, we are now here in Pampanga.
It's 203. Magsi.
Awagay.
Yes. Wow. Mag-CR tayo guys. Mag-CR tayo.
Sige, di kayo magkape.
O lagi bitaw, magkape tayo. Magkape tayo.
Dili ko ay para unya na to.
Kevin, it's Kevin and Ate Mel. Kaya diba nakatulog man din kami. Hi guys, good morning. It's 2:08 a.m. here in somewhere Park Lane siya. So nag-CR lang mi guys. Guys, ang CR is kuan aircon. Aircon ang CR. And then nice kayang lighting diri guys. And then ay mga model houses na Park Lane. Yay! Waiting for Ate Rojet. What can you
A
say?
few moments later.
Nabungol pagyapon ko guys ay.
Yeah. Pero guys, amazing kayo kay aircon ng ilang CR. Then relatively clean rapod. Yeah, waiting for Ate Rojet. Dirita guys. Then guys, open pa sila. Ano pa ba ni? Ay, Lakeshore. Lakeshore di ay siya guys. Lakeshore di ay ni guys. Yeah, I think this is in Pampanga na. Mexico, Pampanga? Yeah. Yeah, Mexico, Pampanga. Amazing. Now in?
Hi guys, we are now in Mexico, Pampanga.
Yes, let's wait for Ate Rojet, guys. Guys, magbay taog siomay. So here, we have Master Siomay. Bye ka. Bye ng siomay. Yay! Let's eat, guys.
Shirt na gulaman.
Oo. Hi, ma'am. Yay! Siomay. Bye tayo ng siomay. Yay! Siomay. Ang gulaman po, ma'am. Isa lang. Yay! One, three, five.
Ma'am, anong bus lang?
Sir, dito.
Ay, ito. Short. Oh, you could you.
Camera, pag-uwish.
Hi guys, mga in. That's pork and shrimp and kuan, Japanese. So, manami nagkaon na mig Master Siomay. Then napa may mga kuan, mga stores diri guys. Na ay Chef Pies and deli. Ay, water. Ah, it's kuya. Ka Ate Binak. So nagpalit mi og tubig.
Mahal man eh.
25.
Mahal man.
25. Yay! Tambay muna kami guys. Kanang ano siya. Snack break. Go. Money. Wow. Ay hala, tamis. Chef P, hello. Tamis. Bawal sa matamis. So look at that guys. It's Clark International Airport. Mingaw pa guys kay unsa pa ba po time? Alas 3. So nagkuha pa mig among mga gamit guys and musulod na mi sa airport. Mingaw pa ang airport. Mingaw gyud diri. Murag Cebu. Oh, murag siya Cebu kuya. Oh. Diri ta. Look at that. Ay hala, wow. Diri di ang kon kuya oh. Arrival. Davao. Dili pod. Cebu.
Ay, katong sa Taiwan, Jack.
Manila man mo. Ay Cebu. Nice kay kuya. Hi guys, naami sa Clark International Airport. Diri daw ta guys. Oh. Guys, lagi picture sa ta. Picture sa ta diri oh. Picture sa ta dira kuya. So, ano pa guys, close pa man gud ang among counter. Story dito guys oh. Kato dito ang Philippine Airlines. Where are you?
We are now in Clark International Airport.
Yay! Actually guys, this is our second time here in Clark International Airport kaya ang first was 2023 from Clark to Singapore via Cebu Pacific. But now, actually guys, we will be going to our next destination but later na naman i-reveal guys. Basta, ang among origin is here in Clark and then we'll be going somewhere sa family. Look at the family, look at the family. It's Al. It's Kuya, Ate Rojet, Buboy, Al, Kevin, and Ate Mel. Yeah, so mag-tour sa ta guys. Ali. Kana guys, mo na siya ang counters. And then na ay 7-Eleven dito. It's Renbat. Fit check. What can you say?
Actually guys, for me, one of the best, or maybe I think this is one of the best airport here in the Philippines na pwede natin palaban sa international. Look at that, look at this. And then, ang nakayanis mang good rin guys, if you have, flight internationally, medyo konti lang yung tao. Wow, Tagalog, dili kay same sa naiya, bitaw nga grabe kay ka-crowded. And then, our experience before last 2023 kay kuan rami guys, kana bitawng paspas kay minuman sa IO. Unlike kung naamo sa naiya, grabe ka daghan. But yeah, this is one of the best for me. Best experience, very peaceful, very clean. Look at that. And then somewhat same sila sa kuan guys. Sa kanabitang Cebu. So yeah, mura to.
Here guys, mo ni siya ang sample sa self-check-in kiosk. Look at that. It's a self-check-in kiosk. So only for Cebu Pacific, Philippine Airlines, Starlux, and Scoot. So, kay then gawas din dira guys, inyo lang i-on inyong details or i-scan your QR code, magawas din ang luggage tags and your boarding pass. But if you have baggage, so dito ra na siya. Yeah. Let's go. Ay, mag-TikTok sa dami guys. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Toara. Hi guys. Fit-check sa daw guys. So guys, usually, check, mong i-scan ang QR ni mo. Kana, pwede ra sa phone. So, magawas na din na siya. Please select up to 6. Sige, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. 7:30, 9:05. Oo, that one. 12B, 12A, 12C for the confirm check-in. Ay, wow. Grabe, no? Copy contact details. Continue na eh. So, please wait. Boarding passes are being printed. And look at that. And it's, yeah, legit siya, no?
It's not thermal paper.
Katong koan gyud. Ay, wow. Look at that. So, we already have our boarding passes, guys. Yay!
Pero na sila, duty na sila.
Oo, pero lahi man na. Yay! Look at that! Ang baggage tag sa Timel, diri ra gyapon.
I think
Or basin dito na, no?
pero backdrop na lang.
Backdrop na lang,
Sila
yes.
kailangan mag-print.
Oo. Yay! If you have check-in, please proceed. Okay. Oh, you proceed. Please ensure. Okay, finish. The next, mo 3. So, mo to guys. Mo to ang steps care of Ate Mel. After atong gihimo ni Ate Mel, mo na din ni ang result. Wala pa. Tereng. Tereng. Yeah, actually. So, but later na lang guys. But nakita na bito ninyo, we are going to Basco, Batanes. So, it's my second time, but for everyone else, it's their first time. So, the last time, ang nga nakato ko dito was 2019. So, that's like 7 years ago. So, tanaw na to guys kung sabi mga changes in Batanes. Let's go. Hi guys. Nagkaon si Renbert. Gikan mi nagba here sa 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven. Here at Clark International Airport. Buy here and subscribe. Wow. Look at the eating. Yeah. Boboy likod. It's ata guys. So guys, akong gipalit kay 2 cheese pepperoni. Renbert is for the chicken, baked chicken. Yeah. Baked chicken. Yeah. So, kaon sa mi guys. Say hi. Say hi rin ba? Say hi. Hello. Kaon sa ta. Guys, nagtuyok-tuyok kami guys ba? So, gikan sa sa A. Diri dayon departures dinay restaurant sa second floor. So, mao ang among gina-discover karon. So, tanaw na to guys. Restaurants. Hala, amazing. Tanawa guys. Hala. Ay, hala. Nice diri. Pero closed pa. Ay na, nay Wendy's. Nay Wendy's guys, nay Hapchan, nay Meet Up. Oh. Pwede here. Hala. So, tara sila ay. So, mara siya over kanang view. Muna siya A, B, C, D. Clark International Airport. Hello. From the second floor. From the second floor, guys. Amazing. Nga diri guys, kung gusto mo mara siya og kanang canteen or cover court, kanang food court. And sila flight screen. Yeah. So diri sa restaurants guys na ay Wendy's. Peri Peri opening soon, Hapchan and Meet the Not. Masa na siya? Oh, open na Wendy's pero dagan pa kay guys. Napoy Catonese. Yeah. Yay! Quality burger since 1969. Yeah. Mo din ni ilang canteen guys. Ay canteen, food court. Meat Depot. Say dilat. Meat Depot man good. Pero close pa guys because it's still 4:01 AM. So kung gusto mo og kuan guys, somewhere to eat kanang before sa pre-departure area, kanang sa check-in counters area, saka mo second floor after sa A nga aisle. So at the back of A nga aisle na ay small nga stairs leading to the restaurants. And of course nara po sila CR. So nice ra diri mag-chill while waiting for your check-in counters to open. Hey. Yeah. Tanawa guys. So nice kay guys. So amazing.
IO dito guys
Na dito guys, unay IO dito kay dito man ang international. Pero di na to na pwede i-show guys. Yeah, nice kay diri guys. Pero I think makuan pohon ko mabibo diri nice kayo. Oh, look, it's Ate Mel and Con. Nagi Wendy's good open yun.
Kailang iced tea
Nagi yun. It's
Nami
Ate Mel and
kailang
Kevin. Yeah.
iced tea. Ay tabi.
A few moments later.
Hey, mga on. Early breakfast.
Kaning imong
Yay!
nuggets.
Dili, uy.
Ang ilang burger na yung fries na. Namang good fries.
Ay, di, naman ko yung fries. Kahit classic man ako. Tora.
Ay, namang good na. Dili.
Ay, tora ako.
Kaya mo nga og ingani. Nuggets.
Sure ba? Ngi, bot.
Kada burger na yung fries. Uy.
Mau gali.
Oh, tara ba? Dora na ka fries.
Ay, oh. So, kana na lang ato. Let's eat, guys. Okay, Roy. Yehey.
Hindi biasa ako mag-meal kay
Lagi.
ito lang masarap.
Mau gali. Ay, wow. Hello, guys. Nakasulod na mi sa security check dito. And then, mag-wait mi sa katong muraog kuan, guys. Katong muraog golf cart nga shuttle going sa among gate. So, yeah, domestic area. Hey. So, guys, dito mi sa hala na digital walker 5A. Sa 5A. Dito, guys. Hala, layo pa kayo siya, guys. Guys, ingon si Buboy, magkuhan na lang daw mi, mag-walk. It's Al and Buboy. Ay, nara. Sige, sakay tayo. Sakay mi aning maraog golf cart. Nara ay. Tara, yay! Golf cart. Yay! Hello! Oh. Hala. Oh, video. Hala, halingaw kay. Awa, guys. Yay!
At least dili ka siya, dito ka siya.
Hala, nice kay bay. Yay, si BTL. Hi, boy. Tara, boy. Ay, hala, layo gid ay. Ay, kasi 1 pa biya na Ate Roja, din 5 biya. Wow.
Ay, nice.
Nice kay bay. Ingani ang airport? Wow. Lokada. Hello, nice kayo. Yay, hello. Sakay-sakay mi guys uguan kanang unsay tawag ani mura og cart la Mount Arayat guys.
Hello.
Hi! It's a TV. Hi! Ayan. Abot na mi guys. Layo-layo gid siya guys. Morning. From Clark International Airport. Guys, nice kayo ang Clark Airport guys. And look at that. Maklaro ba guys? That's Mount Arayat. From a distance. Cebu Kato siya guys. International wing. This is the domestic wing. Tara! And this is the gate for Basco, Batanes. Praying for good weather sa Basco, guys. Hopefully, nice ang weather sa Basco. Lord, sani raon ta, dili mapulan. And safe ang among trip. So, yeah. Let's go! Yay, boarding. Let's go. Let's go to Batanes. Thank you, Lord. Okay, giabot na ang scoot, guys. From Singapore. Boarding. Guys, ang gate is 5A to sa baba. Yeah. Let's go. Ready. Siya rin nag-suggest.
Sir, may ego po ba kayo?
Eagle.